So yes, you can say, money flows effortlessly to me all day, but if deep down, you still believe you're only meant to make $2,000 or $5,000 a month, or that earning more money means more pressure, more responsibility, and less time with your family, then your body will sabotage anything beyond that. Because your mind is wired to protect you from what feels safe and familiar, not what's possible. So here's what happens. You go all in for a while, you sign clients, you hit the revenue goal, you build momentum, and then suddenly, you crash. Why? Because you're not operating from the identity of someone who already has it, where success feels normal, safe, and sustainable. You're still in this energy of proving your worth, pushing, and waiting for results to come. Instead of embodying this version of you now, who's already fully booked, and have consistent flow of clients and sales coming in without burning out.